Well guys, we got a problem yet again. For the very first problem on the Speed 3 is of course the same thing what happened to my last Mazda. The coolant tank has a leak. As you can see, the coolant was all the way up here and now it's gone. Good thing we still have some inside the actual thing. I'm still gonna fill it up, but we're gonna go ahead and get a brand new one, or a new one that I seen off the internet. So we're just gonna go ahead. The OEM reservoir tanks are so bad, like every single time they blow, they just crack too easily. And if that's not bad enough, we got this, the actual cap that's actually broken itself. I'll show you guys. Look, this is supposed to be in here attached to this, so we gotta also change this cap. It's a good thing that's a little slight issue. I do think I have to change the O2 sensor back here too. I think this is sensor 1, bank 1, so definitely gonna need one of those too, but it's okay for now. For the meantime, I do want to change this because this is the main concern right now. This is just annoying. You guys see that struggle? Look at that. This is supposed to be in here, but it snapped. So we're gonna need a new tank and a new cap. Good thing that the guy has both 2-in-1, so I don't have to buy separate. I don't think there is a time I've owned a Mazda and not had some type of coolant tank problem. It is way too common on this car. But like I said, it could have been worse, so if anything, I am going to bring these with me just in case. And yeah, hopefully this turns out well, guys. Oh, and in case you guys were missing the Del Sol, it's still here. There's just nothing we can really do with her right now until the summertime, springtime. So get ready though, guys, because when we do the first mod for this car, it's gonna be a good one. So some people do know, a lot of you don't, but it's gonna be a nice, good mod that will change the look of this car for the better. Let's get on the road. See you guys in a bit. So quick update, we secured the bag. We went ahead and we got ourselves a new coolant reservoir tank and a new cap that actually works. It's not snapped off like the other one. So now all that's left to do is just to go home, slap this on, get some coolant also, and that's pretty much it. But anyway guys, I have about a 50-minute drive to do, so I'll pick up at the camera once we're back at home to install this new tank. So see you guys in a bit. We just finished taking out the old one and we're about to put the newer one in, so let's hope that this actually works. But yeah, this one I don't really see any cracks, but fortunately it's still leaking somehow, so we're gonna still go ahead and put in this new one and we're gonna see if it works. All right, hopefully this works, so let's give it a shot. We got this on now, so now we just have to go ahead, pour some of this new guy in, and then we should be good. We got the 50-50 because that's what we used before, and we'll see if that'll work. Go, I think all the hoses, all the lines are good. Everything is back snug, so hopefully we won't get any more leaks. Makeshift funnel, just cut a water bottle. Boom, right there. So now we can go ahead and see if it'll work. Just start the car, let it drain. I didn't film the flush part of this video, but we flushed it out and we put some new coolant in there. So let's just hope that when we do start it, goes ahead, the coolant goes ahead, it drains inside the radiator, and we're probably gonna have to add more, but that's fine. We'll see how it goes from there. All the hoses, all the lines are good. No dripping, so I'm pretty sure that was it. So that's pretty weird. With this one, you don't really see any crack, but it was leaking from here, but I don't know which part. But either way, we got a new one. We got a new cap too, so I think that will do it for this. What we have to do next is the O2 sensor. So once we get the O2 sensor in, which is right here behind, right there, then we'll go ahead and proceed with that. But for now, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing for a run, and then we'll see exactly how it is. But that is pretty much it. The level is good, topped up, probably a little bit too much, so I'm probably gonna take out some, but even still, it's pretty set the way she is. Not too sure what the next video will be, but stay tuned anyway. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.